Understanding the phrase PR list in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase PR list. You might have heard this term in various contexts, especially if you are interested in marketing, public relations, or the beauty industry. So, let's dive in and understand what PR list really means and how it is used in English. First, let's break down the phrase. PR stands for public relations, which is a field focused on managing the spread of information between an organization and the public. A list, in this context, refers to a compilation or a group of items or people. So, when we combine these two words, PR list essentially means a list related to public relations. The term PR list is most commonly used in the beauty industry and among influencers. Brands often have a PR list which consists of beauty bloggers, makeup artists, influencers, and even celebrities who receive free products to try out. The idea behind this is that these influencers will use, review, and promote the products to their followers, providing the brand with exposure and advertisement. Being on a PR list can be quite beneficial for influencers. It means they get to try the latest products for free, and it also helps in building a relationship with the brands. For brands, having a strong PR list means they can reach a wider audience and generate buzz around their products. However, it's important to note that being on a PR list also comes with a responsibility to be honest and transparent with your audience about the products. Now that we understand what a PR list is, let's talk about how to use this phrase. You might say, "I just received a package from brand X. I think I'm on their PR list." Or, "Brand Y is known for having an exclusive PR list with only the top influencers." And that's it for today's video. We hope you now have a clear understanding of what PR list means and how it is used in different contexts. Remember, it's a term most commonly used in the beauty industry and among influencers, and it refers to a list of people who receive products for promotional purposes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.